Bro, what are you doing here?
Nothing, bro. Just sitting.
I think you should be excited right now.
What?
You got this one in the post. Catch it.
That's awesome, man. Hey, you just threw this tab?
Yeah?
Hey, that's too heavy, man. This tab.
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop.
What's up, guys? This is Marshall from Infinite Studios to unbox this Lenovo 410 tab. Okay? And we'll be seeing the specifications of this tab before we unbox this. Okay? And these specifications of this tab is here, and it has got an IPS HD screen and a dual front speakers and a multi-user account and Lenovo Kids account, and this is powered by Android technology and Qualcomm Snapdragon and Dolby Atmos.
This has got a lot of features in it.
And this has a storage of 16 GB, and this is featured by Android 7.1.1 OS.
And this costs 20,000.
And okay, this is a tab you got here, and see this is the tab, and we have got a matte finish in here. And come closer, and this is a 5 megapixel camera here. This is the rear camera, and you can see here this is the 2 megapixel camera in the front. Okay, and this is a 10.10 inch screen with dual speakers on both the side, here and here, and you got a power button, volume up keys and volume down keys. Okay, what else do we got in our box? And in this box we have got a quick guides. It's Lenovo Tab. Okay, nothing, just papers written for instructions. That's it. And we have got our USB cable and a power adapter. Okay, that's it. That's it for this video, guys.
So guys, this is the tab we're gonna unbox now. What?
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg.